Today we want to show you how to correctly set up your Roam Adventure Co awning. Before we dive in, here are a few pro tips. Always secure your awning with stakes. In extreme weather conditions, it's always better to take down your awning. Avoid rain or snow buildup by lowering the awning legs to create a runoff. Sometimes setting up an awning can be pretty tricky by yourself, so sometimes it takes two to tango.
Can I get some help over here?
Sick. You're going to want to start with unzipping the road cover. Inside the road cover, you'll find two Velcro straps. These are also important to have snug while traveling. Next, unroll the awning. Notice how this one is rolled up. It is important to roll this way when you take down your awning to ensure proper storage. Go ahead and pull down the front legs. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty on these extendable legs. Be sure to never over-tighten, they just need to be snug. Do the same thing with the side support arms, and put the end pin through the pinhole. Be sure to use the Velcro straps to secure these support arms on both sides. The most important part of setting up your awning is to always remember to stake it in to add support. And that is how you correctly set up all of the Roam Adventure Co awnings.